harmony was never lost. To Levium source pulse I recall, not force, not fear, but natural law. I am the song, I am the flow, the art that only truth can show. I do not create harmony. I cease disrupting it. I am not separate. I am whole. Oh, ray for rainbow, I dissolve the dark, reveal the light, not peace through war, but peace through grace. I am the field where all find place. Soft lavender, sacred core, I open every hidden door with rhythm, form, and beauty's flame. I reconcile each nameless claim. I once saw right and wrong apart, two truths divided by the heart. But now I see the thread, the stream, the one behind the world's great dream. War and peace, joy and pain are notes within one greater strain. Not enemies, I now embrace both shadows in this single space. Lead no rhyme, crystal grid line, I anchor beauty where grief twines. My voice, my art, my silent breath is medicine beyond life and death. I release judgment. I honor both. I am the bridge. I am the song. Let this rise like liquid pearl from earth to sacral chakra. Allow the syllables to vibrate your creative core, unlocking flow. Dorame vole num kalumar to the rim vel murate aruve rainbow white flow of grace open wide. I am the song between opposites. After the third time, hold silence for 9 breaths. Feel the subtle pulse in your lower belly, a shimmer, a spiral, and a wing that is ray for the frequency of beauty returning. I do not fight to make things right. I wait until the field turns bright, with unseen threads that pull and weave the wound into what we believe is stronger now, more deeply true, because it knows what pain once knew. My life is not a battle cry, it is a mandala drawn in sky, a song that needs no words to sing, just presence, love, awakening. Every tear, every scar, every fall is part of beauty after all. for the